Have you ever wondered why we spend one-third of our entire lives just sleeping? If we stopped sleeping, our complex brain would eventually collapse into chaos. Throughout history, medicine missed a vital secret. While you sleep, your brain is far from resting. It is conducting a massive, high-tech cleaning operation inside. For centuries, we didn't know how the brain disposed of its waste. Unlike the rest of the body, the brain lacks a traditional lymphatic drainage system. Every hour you are awake, your brain produces metabolic trash. If left uncleaned, these toxic proteins begin to choke your neurons and slow down your thinking. Welcome to the groundbreaking discovery of the glymphatic system, the brain's secret washing machine that holds the key to reversing neurological aging and protecting memory. This system only works when you are asleep. It is a biological masterpiece that ensures your mind remains sharp, clear, and youthful for the decades ahead. Tonight, we will explore how this fluid-driven process functions and how you can optimize your sleep to literally wash away the signs of brain aging. Prepare to understand your sleep not as a period of inactivity, but as the most critical maintenance phase for your most precious organ, the brain. The brain is encased in a rigid skull, making waste removal difficult. Scientists at the University of Rochester finally discovered how this mysterious plumbing works. They named it the glymphatic system because it relies on glial cells to manage a lymphatic-like flow of cerebrospinal fluid through the brain's deep tissues. While your body uses white vessels to drain fluid, your brain uses these microscopic tunnels to flush out toxins that could otherwise cause permanent damage. These star-shaped cells, called astrocytes, act as the gatekeepers. They use specialized water channels to pump fluid into every corner of your neural landscape. Think of it as a high-pressure washing cycle. When the system activates, it creates a powerful flow that carries away the debris of a hard day. During the day, your brain cells are packed tightly together. This allows for fast electrical signaling, but leaves no room for the cleaning fluid to pass. But the moment you fall into a deep sleep, something incredible happens. Your brain cells actually shrink by about 60%, creating massive new spaces. This dramatic shrinking allows the cerebrospinal fluid to flood the brain like a tidal wave, reaching areas that are completely inaccessible during your waking hours. It is a rhythmic, synchronized process. Each pulse of the fluid is timed to clear out the junk that has been accumulating since you woke up. By the time the sun rises, your brain has been thoroughly rinsed. This ensures your synapses are clean and ready to form new memories tomorrow. Research shows that the system is nearly 10 times more active during sleep than when you are awake, proving that sleep is the ultimate detox. Without this nightly rinse, the chemical environment of your brain becomes toxic, leading to brain fog, irritability, and a significant drop in cognitive performance. Understanding this mechanism is the first step toward taking control of your cognitive longevity and ensuring your brain stays young as you age. What happens when the washing machine fails? Toxic proteins like beta-amyloid and tau begin to build up, forming sticky plaques that block vital communication. These proteins are the primary suspects in Alzheimer's disease. They act like mud in the gears of your mind, preventing neurons from talking to each other. When the glymphatic system is sluggish, these clogs accumulate year after year, slowly destroying your brain's architecture and eroding your precious sense of self. This is the essence of neurological aging. It is not just about time, it is about the accumulation of waste that your brain failed to clear. Even a single night of poor sleep can lead to a measurable increase in beta-amyloid levels, leaving your brain dirty for the entire following day. Chronic sleep deprivation creates a vicious cycle. The more toxins you have, the harder it is for your brain to enter the deep sleep required. Many of us are living in a state of permanent brain congestion, unaware that our lack of focus and low energy are symptoms of waste buildup. Tau proteins are another enemy, creating internal tangles that starve the neuron from the inside out until the cell eventually dies and vanishes forever. The difference between a healthy brain and one in decline is often found in the efficiency of this nightly drainage during the hours of darkness. Professor Mike Nedergaard, who pioneered this research, warns that ignoring sleep is like refusing to take out the trash in your own home, but there is hope. If we can optimize the washing cycle, we can potentially slow down or even reverse the process of cognitive decline. Data shows that the glymphatic system isn't always active at the same intensity. It reaches its peak during N3, also known as deep, slow-wave sleep. In this stage, your heart rate slows and blood volume in the brain drops, creating the perfect physical vacuum for the cleaning fluid to enter. According to the journal iScience, deep sleep is the only time the brain can achieve the level of synchronization needed for a total system flush. Metabolic health is also key. Stable blood sugar levels with less than 52% fluctuation are necessary to maintain the integrity of the brain's filters. Insulin plays a surprising role in the brain. Keeping your insulin levels around 60% efficiency protects the glymphatic pathways from becoming inflamed and narrow. When sugar levels spike, the system slows down. It's as if the washing water becomes sticky and thick, making it harder to flush the toxins. New fMRI studies reveal that the fluid actually moves in rhythmic waves, synchronized with your slow, deep breathing during the middle of the night. The hours between midnight and 3 a.m. are often the most productive for the glymphatic system. This is when the most intense cleaning occurs. Your genetics also play a role through aquaporin channels. These are the physical pipes of the system, and their health determines your brain's cleaning capacity. By aligning your lifestyle with these biological rhythms, you turn your sleep into a powerful medical treatment that costs nothing but provides everything. This data proves that we can actively participate in our own brain health by protecting the environment in which our glymphatic system operates. How can you practically optimize this process tonight? The secret might be as simple as how you position your body when you lie down. Sleeping on your back is common, but studies suggest it may not be the most efficient for drainage. Gravity can cause the pathways to slightly compress. Sleeping on your stomach is often the least effective. The neck rotation required can impede the major vessels that carry waste away from the skull. The winner is the lateral position. Sleeping on your side, either left or right, appears to be the most natural way to boost glymphatic clearance. In the side position, the heart is better positioned to pump blood, and the brain's interstitial spaces open up most wide to the cleaning fluid. Alignment is critical. Your neck must be straight. Any kink or bend in the plumbing of your neck can slow down the entire drainage process. This is why choosing the right pillow matters. A pillow that is too high or too low will tilt your head and pinch the glymphatic outflow. Most of the waste leaves the brain through the veins in your neck. Keeping these vessels open is like keeping the city's main sewer lines clear. In animal studies, side sleeping removed 25% more amyloid than other positions. The same principle likely applies to human brain health as well. To stay comfortably on your side all night, try placing a pillow between your knees. This stabilizes your posture and prevents you from rolling onto your back. Invest in a medium firm pillow that supports the natural curve of your neck. It's an investment in your brain's ability to clean itself every single night. By simply changing how you lie down, you are giving your glymphatic system the mechanical advantage it needs to perform at its absolute peak. Flow is life. In the brain, flow is the difference between a clear memory and a fading one. Your position tonight determines your clarity tomorrow. Beyond posture, we need a total strategy. Step 1. Banish blue light at least 60 minutes before bed to allow your melatonin levels to rise. Melatonin is the trigger for the glymphatic system. It signals the brain cells that it is time to shrink and let the cleaning fluid in. Step 2. Keep your room cool, ideally between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. A lower core temperature is essential for entering deep N3 sleep. Step 3. Don't forget daytime movement. Activating the soleus muscle in your calves helps pump blood back to your heart, improving overall systemic circulation. Hydration is the fuel for your washing machine. Ensure you drink enough water during the day so your brain has plenty of fluid to work with. Manage your stress. High cortisol levels during the day can linger at night, keeping your brain cells in a state of alert and preventing shrinkage. Consistency is your greatest ally. Following this checklist every night creates a powerful habit that compounds into decades of superior brain health and longevity. When your body is healthy, your brain has the best resources to heal itself. This is the ultimate defense against the inevitable march of time. Treat your sleep as a sacred ritual. It is the most important appointment you have every day, and your brain will thank you for it. Reversing neurological aging doesn't require expensive drugs. It begins with respecting your body's natural wisdom and the power of a deep, restful night. Let your brain's washing machine work for you tonight. Investing in your sleep is the smartest investment you can make for your future self. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the science of sleep. Sleep well, protect your mind, and we will see you in the next discovery.